weather conditions for I-90 over Snoqualmie Pass. As of 9:47 a.m., the temperature near the summit is in the lower 20s. Snowing lightly. The roadway has snow, compact snow and ice.
We're headed to Eastern Washington for a winter weekend getaway. First stop, Twin Pines Burgers in Cleelum. Next stop, Icicle Ridge Winery.
It's 50 Cab Franc. The Merlot kind of comes out a little bit, so you're gonna get a little fruit forwardness, but then it is smoked. Oops, I put that in the wrong glass.
Yeah, I think I like this one.
Look at the Safeway. Look how cute it is.
What, just because that has a fucking cornucopia on it?
No, Matt, it's Leavenworth Safeway. Sunglasses. No, it's not. Huh? Like, share something? I got us a Starbucks. How do you feel about that? Starbucks. Groceries. Check. Oh no, maybe this is not the road we want to go on. It said we could go a different route too. Look at this one. Okay, yeah, that's a big one. That was a 180. Google tried to route us a different way, and that led us to a closed road. So we went back onto the original path and continued onward, and we should be there in about 7 minutes. We just checked in to Doss Treehouse in Leavenworth, Washington. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. So you walk in over here, there's a living area, an electric fireplace, and a smart TV. Over here, we have a table for two with a lovely view of the Wenatchee River. The kitchen has all the appliances you could possibly need and more. There's a staircase over here that leads to a loft area, but they have it blocked off, so it looks like it's for storage purposes only. I can see your feet down there. All right, so down this hallway, on the left, there's a washer and dryer, some more kitchen utensils, and on the right is the bathroom. This is cute. And a little bathtub. And this door goes out to the outside balcony, which we'll get to in a minute. At the end of the hall is a bedroom with a queen-size bed. My favorite feature is this beautiful wraparound deck. There's also a hot tub right by the front door.
Getting this epic shot here. It's killer.
Oh my god. Wow, that does look really good. First impressions of the cabin.
It's a great little cabin.
It's a great little cabin.
Told me.
It's
Nice
cozy.
fire.
It's 450 square feet, so, you know.
It's 400 square feet.
It's 450 square feet.
450 square feet of coziness.
Stop.
This is Fred.
Stop.
This
Okay.
is-
So originally we planned on going out to dinner tonight. There's a restaurant about 6 minutes away called the Old Mill Café, and it looks super good. But we have a bunch of snacks with us, so we're just gonna stay here and enjoy the space tonight. We are just enjoying some coffee out here on the deck. It's really cold this morning, and we are gonna get ready and go for a hike. Matt's making us some eggs real quick, and I just stepped outside to take a picture of the outside of the cabin, and look what I found. Matt's frozen boxers. No ketchup at the Airbnb.
No butter.
No butter at the Airbnb. Plain eggs, plain toast.
It's 22 degrees and cold.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
This is wild. See, nobody maintained it. Because see, the snow plows piled all the snow up onto the bank.
Yeah, so we can't. I mean, I feel like there's nowhere to park. That sucks. That's why you always want to have a backup plan. We are at Lake Wenatchee State Park. You need a snow park pass to park here in the winter. It's $25 for a day pass or $50 for the year. The lake is not the easiest to find. We were just on the north side of the lake. Now we're on the south side of the lake. What did you think about the north side?
I thought it was great.
It wasn't my favorite because I wanted to get closer to the lake, and we are right next to the lake on the south side. Lake Wenatchee State Park was beautiful. If you guys are ever in Leavenworth, I highly recommend that you check it out. It's cute. Is that where we're going? Okay. All right, so let's talk about Mozart's. It was freaking bomb.
No, he says bomb, Nicole.
Mozart's is a must-do. The garlic fries, super good. What else did we get? The fondue, amazing. The, what were the short ribs? Those were okay. We wouldn't order those again, but overall, it was a really great dining experience. After we ate lunch, we stopped by the Gingerbread Factory for a quick treat. Okay. Let me see my ginger snap. We're gonna get a couple steaks for later, and so our options are Safeway, or what's the other butcher shop called?
Dan's.
Dan's Market. But the question is, do we want coffee now? Or why not?
Well, you can't hold anything.
Okay,
You
fine.
had to eat all your stuff.
Jeez.
If you have your phone card, please scan it now.
Just gotta let it preheat.
Okay, we got some potatoes. Earlier today, we stopped by Safeway. We picked up some steak and potatoes. Matt's got the steak on the grill, the potatoes in the oven, and we're just enjoying the fire right now with a couple of drinks. We don't have a thermometer at the Airbnb.
Rare. Medium rare. Medium. No. Rare. I don't know. Something like, well, this is well done, and this is rare. You can push like here, and it's like,
That looks yummy. The Wi-Fi here is a little spotty, but the good news is there's some DVDs.
Last Samurai. That one's good.
Stand By Me, oh that's cute. $1 Million Baby. Bingo. Today's the day we leave Das Treehouse. Checkout time is 10 a.m. Don't forget your boxers. There's a few things we need to put back in the cooler, but we don't have any ice. Matt has a backup plan. Did you miss us?